Alright, hello everyone. So, right now this is the tutorial video on how you will have to arrange for the dry run. Alright, so let's go to the Outlook. This is your Outlook, and your interface might be different, but this is mine. And for the left hand side, you can see there's two inbox. My personal, and this is the Corman's inbox. So you go to the inbox, and you can see here there are a lot of emails, but you can find this kind of email where they have from talent to the speaker, which is the session will be moderated by our committee, which is from our Corman department. So these kinds of email is where you have to reply to the email, reply all, and so from now you can just follow the template that will be given. So this is the template. Just copy and go to the email and paste. Alright, so everything inside here you will need to change them according to the details of the speaker and also details of the webinar. And for the subject, you go to the template, just copy it, copy, and you paste it here. So you don't have to change anything for the subject. So, and don't forget that you have to make the standardized font, which is ITC Galliard, with the font size of 11. Alright, so that is all, but don't forget that you have to change your signature. So you go to the up here and find the signature for TFX 5.0, and you can see this is your signature. Also, don't forget that you have to check to who you are going to send it. So you click here, and from the to side you don't have to include talents, just the speaker. And for the CC part, you have to include by using the template, which is all of here, the Corman, talent, MCOM, SM, and also M. So you copy them and you paste it in CC. Alright, so and then you click OK, and after that you send it to the speaker. Alright, so that is all for the dry run arrangement email.